Let's go exploring. This here is a construction site, as you can see. And right over here, we got buildings. Okay, first off, this is my friend, the hole. This is a pretty big jump. This is my friend, the garage. This is the front door. This is the house, the home. Mind if I take you upstairs? Well, don't mind if I do. Up here we have my beautiful, gorgeous bedroom with windows. And here we got the closet. We got the closet. Oh, you can't even see. Let me get the flashlight out, folks. We got the bathroom. We got the toilet. We got the closet. Can I get a yee? We got the attic up here. Laundry room and shower. So all the houses are gonna look the same when it comes to the interior. So this is it. Let me put this back on my head. There we go. I'm so exposed right here. I'm Batman. This is actually pretty fun. Running from house to house. Da da da. Let's go out through here. Everything looks the same. You know, I think I need to use the porta potty. I gotta go bathroom, folks. Nature calls. We love a good porta potty. All right, cutscene. That was a good dump I took. Anything good in here? Anything to salvage? Nope, moving on. These are cute houses. I'm the king of the hill, or in this case, the trash heap. And that is the construction side of the day, folks. Thank you, thank you. I'm not gonna do this every day. I just was driving by and saw it. But Maybe some other time we'll check out the houses up here. It's literally the same thing as here, just further along. So maybe not. But it's time to go. So farewell.